So the next exercise, we are going to fill in the blanks not just with demonstrative but with set, the demonstrative, or with the articles. So here we are going to decide whether we need to fill in a demonstrative adjective or an article. So for this we need to understand the context of that sentence. So let us begin. The first, it's a question, okay? To our view, you have seen dash spectacular. So now in this case they are asking about some particular spectacular. So this, you have seen this spectacular. Now you need to see for the noun whether it is masculine or feminine. So this noun is in the masculine singular form. So we write sir, because in this sentence we need a demonstrative adjective. They are asking about something in particular. Tu as vu ce spectacle? Oui, c'est dash spectacle magnifique. So now they are saying yes, it is a magnifique spectacular. So here we need to use an article. So again, now this is masculine singular, so we use a. So did you understand? Tu as vu ce spectacle? You have seen this spectacle? Oui, c'est un spectacle magnifique. Yes, it is a magnifique spectacle. So this is how we write the articles and the demonstrative. We need to understand the context of that particular question or that sentence to fill in the respective article or demonstrative. The next sentence, tu connais, you know, dash nom de dash artiste américain. So here we need, do you know the name of this American artist? So that is how we are going to fill in. So here we need to fill in the article. So we take a look at the noun. It is masculine singular, so we put le nom, the name of dash artiste américain. Now the noun here is artist. It is feminine singular. So which of the demonstrative will be filled in here? It is cet, the cet artiste américain. So the answer for that, oui, c'est dash chanteuse de jazz. So she is a singer of jazz, a jazz singer. So an article should be placed here. Now take a look at the noun. It is feminine singular, so we use you. Oui, c'est une chanteuse de jazz. So once again, read this question and answer along with me. Tu as vu ce spectacle? Oui, c'est un spectacle magnifique. Tu connais le nom de cet artiste américain? Oui, c'est une chanteuse de jazz. So now we will try to do some more sentences in this exercise.